Welcome to AI Snippets. Please feel free to jump to a timestamp to listen to the snippet of your choice. Also like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss important AI news. American officials are reportedly investigating the UAE's G42, a major AI firm, probing potential links with Chinese companies and expressing concerns about data and tech transfer risks. G42 recently partnered with OpenAI and has agreements with Microsoft and Dell. The CIA raised red flags about G42 collaborating with Huawei, warning it could facilitate the transfer of advanced US tech to China's military. G42's CEO, Peng Xiao, previously managed to Talk, an Emirati app labeled as a spying tool aided by China. As AI capabilities become pivotal in global dynamics, this investigation highlights the escalating espionage and national security risks in the US-China AI race. The US and 17 other nations have signed a landmark agreement advocating for major AI systems to be secure by design, to combat hacking and misuse. This marks the first coordinated international initiative outlining safety-first principles for AI development. The non-binding deal emphasizes vetting suppliers, pre-release model testing to prevent hijacking, and provides general recommendations. However, it falls short of addressing critical issues like data training for models and appropriate AI uses. Despite these limitations, the agreement signifies a significant level of global cooperation on AI safety and underscores the US's efforts to catch up with Europe in tech regulation. Segmentation involves identifying and delineating individual objects, such as cells, in images, a task traditionally done by human experts. Early attempts at AI segmentation required extensive manual customization for each experiment. However, recent breakthroughs in deep learning, particularly with the UNet framework, have significantly improved the process. These advancements leverage large, diverse training datasets and novel strategies like human-in-the-loop approaches. Despite progress, challenges persist in handling 3D data, different imaging technologies, and achieving interoperability across platforms. Researchers anticipate further developments, including the use of transformer-based models. Successful AI segmentation opens doors to more complex applications in neuroscience and pathology. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to be instantly notified of regular updates. Thanks for watching.